Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process for your Xiaomi SV17, first, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a small wrench, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep track of all components. Next, unplug the vacuum cleaner to ensure your safety. Start by removing the dust bin and the filter. This will give you access to the motor compartment. Pay close attention to how these parts are assembled, as you'll need to reassemble them later. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. There are usually 4 screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off, taking care not to damage any of the connectors. Now, you should see the motor assembly. It's typically held in place by a few screws and possibly some clips. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully detach any clips if present. If you have trouble accessing the screws, a small wrench might help to loosen them. As you remove the motor, pay attention to the wiring. Make a note of how the wires are connected to the motor. You can take a picture for reference. If you don't have the tools or the time for this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. Once you've detached the motor, take a moment to clean the internal compartment. Dust and debris can accumulate in this area, affecting the performance of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner attachment to remove any dirt. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Align it with the mounting points and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wiring according to the reference you took earlier. Ensure that all connections are tight to avoid any issues once the vacuum is reassembled. After the motor is secured, reattach the top cover by aligning it properly and fastening the screws. Make sure the dust bin and filter are cleaned and reinstalled correctly. Before you test your vacuum, double-check that all screws are tightened and no parts are left loose. If you encounter any difficulties, just remember we provide a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs up front. Now, plug in your Xiaomi SV17 and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it's functioning properly. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the motor. If not, consider reaching out for professional help, as our service includes a hassle-free process that keeps you informed throughout the repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.